In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Bitwarden with a passkey. We'll walk through getting to the official site, signing in securely, and then completing the passkey prompt so you can authenticate quickly and safely on supported devices. Make sure you're on a trusted computer or phone with an up-to-date browser, since passkeys rely on your device's built-in security features. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Bitwarden. In the results, choose the official Bitwarden website. You'll know you're in the right place when the address is the Bitwarden domain and the page highlights their password manager. This quick check helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your account safe. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button, typically in the top right corner, and click it. That takes you to the Vault sign-in page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Bitwarden account. Double check for typos to prevent any login errors. When you're confident it's correct, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted for your master password. Type it carefully, use the reveal toggle if you need to verify what you're entering, and make sure you're not on a public screen when doing so. Your master password is the key to decrypting your vault, so keep it private and never paste it from untrusted sources. If your keyboard layout changes or a password manager autofills unexpectedly, pause and confirm everything is accurate before proceeding. Click Log in with master password. After your vault unlocks, continue with the passkey prompt that appears. Follow the on-screen instructions from your browser or device. You may be asked to verify using your device's built-in authenticator, like a fingerprint, face recognition, a device PIN, or a hardware security key. Approve the prompt to complete the passkey flow. If you're offered the option to use or save a passkey on this device, confirm it so future sign-ins can be even faster and passwordless on that same device and browser. If you don't see a passkey option, make sure your browser supports passkeys and that you're using a device with a compatible authenticator. Also ensure you're on the official Bitwarden login page. Sometimes clearing a pop-up blocker or trying a different supported browser can help surface the prompt. That's it. You've navigated to Bitwarden, signed in securely with your email and master password, and completed the passkey prompt so your device can handle quick, secure authentication going forward.